Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook video reuse tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to create your playlist on your Facebook reuse video. Let me show you how. For the first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app. And after you open up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply navigate to Reels icon from the top right here. So go ahead and click on this Reels icon. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on this particular camera icon right here. So here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this camera icon right here. Then you can record a live video for your Reels, or better still, click on here to close this tab right here, and then you can go ahead and upload a Reels right here. Once you upload a picture or what have you, go ahead and click on this particular icon right here. Go ahead and click on next right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and click on, and the next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and click on add to playlist. Just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on create playlist. Going to go ahead now and click on create playlist. The next thing you want to do is to enter the name of the playlist. Once you enter the playlist name, go ahead and hit on save. Just like so, and a playlist has been successfully created. Next thing you want to do right here, you can see it has been added right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on share now. And it has been successfully shared. And then for you to have access to your playlist, you can see a notification from Facebook that the Reels has been shared. For you to have access to the playlist on your Reels, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the tab right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. So you can see it has been published right here. Okay. Now for you to have access to the Reels, go ahead and click on your profile icon. So once you click on your profile icon, then navigate to Reels right here. Then you have the playlist right here. Just like so. Then each time you are posting a video that is related to this particular playlist, you just have to add more and more into this particular section. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use Facebook Reels, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.